2026 Professional Version Short-Sleeved Shooting Tips. Install an extension rod under the shoulder elbow, and then install the underarm brace to adjust the length of the sleeves and stretch the cuffs. This flattens the cuffs. Push it inward and it will be flat. If you want the cuffs to be exposed, then shorten the extension rod, fold the back of the sleeve, and add a clip, and push it to the right position. And it's done! This can adjust the slope of the shoulders, straighten the shoulder bend the shoulders at a sharper angle, which can make the shoulders appear straighter. The short-sleeved fabric is relatively thin. Install foam tubes on the sides, can increase the thickness of the edge, and enhance the three-dimensional effect of the shadow. The collar expansion rod can adjust the collar width, directly hollow out the collar. Install the telescopic rod on the front expansion slot. Keep this inclination, gently touch and press, to create a real and natural wrinkle.